In today's video, I'll teach you how to delete messages on Airbnb. First of all, launch open Airbnb application. You can see over here Airbnb application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the Explore interface. At bottom, you'll be able to find the options like Explore, Wish Lists, Trips, Messages and Profile. So if you want to delete the message, tap on this option Messages that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be able to see all the messages over here. You can also see the specific messages for traveling and support. Simply tap on the option of your choice. Now once you do that, if you want to delete the message, what you have to do is simply tap on the message that you would like to delete. Now that particular message will be opened. So in Airbnb, you'll not be able to delete or remove the individual message, but you'll be able to archive whole message over here. So what you have to do is simply tap on the name of the hotel, business or person that you're messaging. Now after you do that, you'll be able to find various options over here. You'll be able to find the options like mark as unread, star, archive, etc. So what you have to do is tap on this option archive that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here this particular message will be archived. Now it will no longer be shown in the messages section. So it is equivalent to deleting the message. So that is how you delete messages on Airbnb. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.